you. We've got a really practical guide for acquiring APTM. That's the utility token for Apertum. And we'll show you how to get it on the Apertum Decentralized Exchange, the DEX. Think of this as your personalized shortcut.
Yeah, and what's really powerful about these decentralized exchanges, these DDX, is how they put you in control. It's
Right.
quite different. I mean, unlike traditional exchanges where some company holds your funds, right? DEXs let you trade directly, peer-to-peer.
Like directly with another person, no middleman.
Exactly, like swapping currency with another traveler, no bank involved.
Right.
Now, this means better security because you hold your assets self-custody, but it also means, you carry the responsibility. You need to know the steps. It's that direct engagement with these digital economies that, well, that we're unpacking today.
Okay, that direct engagement. Let's experience it step by step then. So the very first thing, the absolute foundation, is just getting to the right place, the Apertum DEX itself. You'll want to navigate your browser carefully to https://dex.apertum.io. And seriously, listen, this isn't just a suggestion. It's crucial for security. Type that URL in carefully, character by character.
Absolutely. And your point on vigilance, it's just so key because getting that first connection right, the URL,
Yeah.
it's fundamental. You wouldn't believe the number of phishing attempts out there, sites designed to look legit. A single wrong letter in that address bar, it could send you somewhere malicious. And your assets could be, well, seriously at risk. Always check you're on the real domain before you do anything else.
Great point. Really, really important. Okay, so you're confident you're on the right site. What's next? The next phase is connecting your digital wallet. Our guide here focuses on MetaMask. If you're not familiar, MetaMask is like your secure digital passport for this decentralized world. It's basically your key, right, for accessing and using platforms like Apertum.
Exactly. Your
Yeah.
key.
So you'll need to open your MetaMask extension or the app, put in your password, click unlock. Then, with your wallet ready, look on the Apertum DS page, find the Connect Wallet button, click that. You'll probably see a few options. Select MetaMask, and then finally click Connect again to confirm that link.
Right. And if we sort of look at the bigger picture here,
Mm.
that connection, that's the handshake. It's the fundamental link between your own assets held by you and the decentralized exchange. Think of it like logging in securely, but, without a normal username or password. Instead, your wallet proves you own the funds.
Mm.
Once you do that, your MetaMask is your secure gateway. It's ready to authorize things on the platform.
Right. Okay, gateway connected, and now for the main event, really. Performing the actual swap for APTM. So once your wallet's connected, you'll see options to select tokens. You need to select wUSDT as the asset you want to trade from. That's what you're giving up. Then you select APTM as the asset you want to acquire. That's what you're getting.
Okay, hold on. This is where a really critical prerequisite pops up, something our source material specifically flags, and it's honestly easy to miss. You must first bridge your USDT to wUSDT. That's wrapped USDT, specifically for Apertum. You have to do that before you can use it to buy APTM on this DX. Maybe you can elaborate a bit. Why is this wrapping and bridging so vital? It's not just a suggestion, is it?
No, absolutely not. It's one of those nuances that can completely make or break the whole thing. See, regular USDT, it exists on lots of different blockchains, right? Ethereum, Tron, others. But the Apertum DX, it runs on its own specific blockchain. So wUSDT is basically a version of USDT that's been, well, adapted or wrapped so it works natively on Apertum. You can't just send your normal USDT straight there. You have to bridge it first. That's the process of converting it into the Apertum-friendly form.
Oh, okay.
Think of it like exchanging your dollars for euros when you go to Europe. You need the local currency to spend in that specific economy, right? Without that wUSDT already in your Apertum wallet, the swap just snake. It won't work. It's a non-starter, foundational step.
Right. That's a really good analogy. It makes sense. It really shows how assets can move between chains, that interoperability idea. And missing that step. Yeah, I can see how that would be frustrating. Or, worse if something goes wrong with the transaction attempt, a common pitfall.
Definitely. So, okay, let's assume you've done the bridging. You've got your wUSDT ready in your wallet on Apertum. Then the actual swap mechanics are, thankfully, pretty straightforward. You just enter the amount you want, how much APTM you're buying, or how much wUSDT you're spending, and then you click that swap button to get things going. All right, now we're really in the final stretch. Confirming everything. Completing the transaction. You'll see a couple of confirmation steps here, and these are for your security, your control. First, you click Confirm Swap right there on the DEX interface. But then your MetaMask wallet will pop up. You need to click a second Confirm inside MetaMask. And the second one, that's the big one. That's you actually authorizing the transaction on the blockchain itself.
And why this matters for you listening is that these multiple checks, They're standard. They're robust security. It's common in decentralized transactions. They're designed to make absolutely sure you intend to do this before anything irreversible happens.
Hmm.
Before it's written to the blockchain, that permanent public ledger, right? It basically gives you multiple chances to look everything over, make sure it's right before you commit.
Exactly. Multiple chances to back out if something looks off. So once you've clicked both confirms and the network processes it, which usually just takes a few seconds, the very last action is simple. You just click done close on the DEX interface. And that's it. Transaction successful. You haven't just bought APTM. You've navigated a cutting-edge piece of DeFi,
Right.
which is pretty powerful. So there you have it, a clear, actionable map. We've gone through the whole detailed step-by-step journey of buying APTM on the Apertum DEX. Hopefully this deep dive empowers you, to navigate your own digital asset journey with a bit more confidence.
Yeah, and this whole process, particularly that bridging step, it raises, I think, an important question for you, our listener. We saw just how critical understanding that precondition was, right? Bridging USDT to wUSDT before the swap. It wasn't just a click, it was a whole concept you needed to grasp. So the question is, how much of that foundational knowledge, that pre-analysis of prerequisites, how much is really essential before you jump into any new digital process, especially in these complex, fast-moving areas like crypto? It's kind of a reminder, isn't it, that even when you have a clear guide, spotting and understanding those often overlooked preparatory steps, that can be the difference between it working smoothly and hitting a really frustrating wall. Something to think about.